Hey, I'm Imran Siddiq, Web Squadron. I'm sure you know about our Mastery membership, where we were coaching and mentoring businesses, web designers, and developers, not just on the technical aspect, like how to build a website or problem solve with solutions or plugins or that. No, I'm talking about business planning and marketing planning. For instance, have you thought about your sales funnel? Do you have a signature offering or different types of business models and what's going to work for you, especially with trying to generate interest or get clients or even convert clients and engage with them as well? What we've done now is we have broken up the Mastery membership because we appreciate that for some people, they just couldn't afford it or they wanted to just pick and choose what they wanted to look at. So we now have the Mastery modules. The idea behind this is we have now accessible modules for you to tap into. Maybe you just want to see copies of our proposal document and what we share out with our clients. Maybe you want to learn more about engaging with your clients in marketing. And I don't just mean social media, okay? It's about how do you convert them? Or what about your business models and your sales funnels and things like that? The modules will be growing and we will forever be evolving and developing them. Once you purchase them, you will forever have access to the module. So if we ever add any further items or we modify it, you will always have access to it. It's a lifetime cost, okay? Will the cost change in future? Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. But if you want to get part of the Mastery modules with me, Imran Siddiq, and Mark Newman from Web Squadron, then pop along, join in, and we're here to help you out. Take care. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hands